Okay, everybody. So this is a little basic tutorial of how you're going to register a purchase for your ebook for this semester. It's the Musician's Guide to Fundamentals, third edition. Some of you may have a hard copy of this. Um, if you do have a hard copy, you don't need to get the ebook, but you still need to purchase for the registration code because all the assignments are from here and they're all online. So my recommendation is just go ahead and do this whole ebook thing. What you're going to do is follow these directions and you'll be just fine. You want to go to this landing page, type in this exactly, and it will take you to something that looks like this. See? So you're going to sign in, register a code, or purchase access. All right, so that's what you're going to do, and you're going to press that. I'm not going to press that because I've already done it. So follow the directions. You can enter your name, school email. You'll create your own password. Go ahead and register. And this is very, very important here. Again, just follow these directions. You need to enter a student set ID number. If you do not do that, none of your work will be registered. So this number you're looking at, this is for my Music 5 Tuesday, Thursday class. So if you're in the Music 5 Tuesday, Thursday class, you're going to put in 277157. If you are in my Monday, Wednesday class, it's almost the same, but Monday, Wednesday is going to put in 277158. So reminder, you have to do this correctly or you'll be put into the wrong class. If you are in the Tuesday, Thursday Music 5 class, the one that meets at 9:30 in the morning, you will enter 277157. If you're in the Monday, Wednesday class, the one that meets at 3:30, you're going to enter 277158. I will also send out announcements ensuring you got those numbers okay. If you follow these directions, you will register just fine. Once you're registered, you will find something that looks like this. And I'm already all registered and signed in, so I will come here. I press the screen button. I'll put in my passcode. And now we're all set to begin. So this semester, I will be giving you reading assignments out of our ebook. You'll be doing these various kinds of music theory and musicianship exercises right here where this little guy is, know it and show it. So let's say it's the second week of class and we're talking about notating pitch and how to read notes on a treble clef and bass clef staff. I'll say read about it. And there's pitch notation. So you can start. So there we go. Here's chapter 1. Talks about all these different kinds of things. Talks about how the letters and the musical alphabet work. We're going to be working on this, I think, by the third week. This is recognizing a keyboard, recognizing that each of these have letter names. So you'll be studying that. We're going to learn about staff notation, how we can write notes on lines, spaces. You're going to learn about our different clefs, and there's our E, G, B, D, F, F, A, C, E. Again, if you've never had this before, that's all right, because you're going to learn this. After you've done reading, I will give you various assignments connected to the reading. So your module will say know it, and I'll tell you which page, what chapters. So let's do a know it. Again, it's this little guy here. So these are what the assignments look like. We got over here, get some questions. I'll try this activity as a student. And they're kind of like little games. If you want, you can watch this video that tells you how to do it. Or you can just go intuitive and just start answering. Okay. What are the letter names used in music? Well, they got a whole bunch of different types of letters, but you're going to learn we only use A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I got the answer right. Next question. What are the names of the lines in this clef? Again, you're going to learn this. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. The first line here, we call E. The next line is G. The next line is B. Next line is D. Next line is F. See, now something I want to point out. You have to answer at least 20 questions. So you can't do 3, do perfect 3, and then say, I've got 100. Look over here. So we've done 2 so far. You got to get at least 18 more to get a grade. So let's go to the next question. You can get more points if you think you really know this material. Go up. You get more points. All right, so you can listen to what this music sounds like. Loading it up. Be there in a second. Again, if you're... That's the music. Okay, I'll hear it again. And I was going to say again, if you don't have any idea what these notes are, that's all right. We are going to learn them. So this is the homework. After you learn them, what's the name of that note? C. Oh, and look, we got another one. And we got another one. They're all the same. This guy is a G. This guy's an A. Whoops. Over there. This guy's a B. Oh, hook me up. There we go. Back to the C. Back to the B. The A. The G. So in our lectures, we'll be talking about how we name the pitches in music. So start learning how to read music. You will be reading about that. Then you'll be doing these assignments on how to do that. So these are the know it ones. And then I'll also give you assignments, show it. So these are what these look like. Let's still stay in the pitch notation for assignments. And there we go. Let's do some of these ones. Start the quiz. All right. What is 4 notes below E? Well, we got to go backwards in the alphabet. E, D, C, B. I went backwards 4 notes. All right, doing good. 8 notes below D. Well, that's an octave. 8 below D, if you count, is D. 3 notes above C. Count. C, D, E. And finally, 2 above F. F, G. And we know H isn't an answer because our musical alphabet doesn't have H. So we're going good. All right? And all these exercises are the same. So far we're doing 100%, but they're going to ask you 16 of them. Okay? So, going back here, just showing you once more how this all works. You can do your reading from chapters I assign in the ebook. They'll all be based on my lectures. Then I'll give you assignments from here. Assignments from here. Know it, show it. These are all in the modules, and I'll remind you about them in class. And let us not forget, to do this, you have to get registered. So do this as soon as possible. Follow the directions. You'll be fine. Reminding you once again, because I've had students do this wrong, if you are on Music 5, Tuesday, Thursday, the class that meets 9:30 in the morning, you are going to put student set 277157. If you are in my Monday, Wednesday class, the one that meets at 3:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays, you will enter 277158. So please, I hope you get that. Any questions, feel free to ask me when we are in class session. Look forward to seeing you later this week. Bye.